how to buy BRETT 2.0. Now, to be able to do that, I want to make you sure that this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before we start, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a great community from here. Now, after that, how to buy this token, just go. And this token is available in Uniswap. So after that, what you should do is just go and click on connect. And after that, select your wallet. Click on connect. As you can see, our wallet is connected. Now this is the BRETT, and as you can see, select the token that you want to pay with. Make sure to select the base network. Now from here, select the coin that you want to pay with. As you can see, if you want PayPath or like token that you want, for example this token, as you can see from here, just type how much you want to pay. As you can see, this is how much you will receive, and after that finalize and quote. And because I don't have any 1-inch token, I guess I can't be able to buy it. So there is another way to buy this token, is by going to their website. As you can see, now copy this token or this token address. Now after that, go and open your Bitget wallet, and as you can see, click on this little plus and make sure to select the base network. Now paste the token address from here. So after you find it, as you can see, it's not listed. The token is not listed in the markets. Now after that, click on it, and as you can see, the token is added. Now go back, and after that you will find it here, and make sure you select the base network from here. Now after you find the BRETT2 token, click on it and click on buy, and you will be able to buy it from the Bitget wallet. Now it's easy. So how to buy it? Now from here, just select your country currency, and from here select how much you want to pay with. For example, if you want to pay with USDT, now enter how much you want to buy, and the receiving address, make sure to paste this address. Now after you paste here, you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy the BRETT 2.0. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.